our file and paste the graphic onto the page. Just make the graphic a little bit smaller. Bring it to the size we want it to be. Then you make what I would call a clipping path around the graphic. So to make it, what you would do is you would trace around the graphic with the freehand tool. I'm going to do this really quickly, so it's not going to be the best. Hold on. Sorry, not the freehand tool. You want to use the Bezier tool, so I'm going to delete that there. It's the Bezier tool we need. We're going to trace around the graphic quickly with the Bezier tool. I'm just doing this very, very quickly, and also it's not going to be accurate, but what you'd want to do is make it very accurate around the shape of the bear. After doing that, what I'm going to do is put a square around the bear. I'm going to select my square as well as the line that I've made around the bear. And I'm going to click just 1 minute. And click. Just going to select it one more time. I'm trying to just make a clipping path around this bear so that we can color in the back and it no longer has that white square behind it. So you click the back minus front button. Then you can just color in that square, and you'll no longer have the white shape that was behind the bear visible. So I'm going to group those together. I'm going to bring it over onto the square where logo 6 is placed. And embroideries always stay the same price. They're always, left chest embroidery is always $8. After doing that, just a few minor changes left to make. We'd have to put the embroidery that we've just made onto the items down here, because these two items get embroideries. So I'm going to copy and paste the embroidery, or just drag it down and right click. And change the color of item number 9. To match the school colors. color of item number 10. I'm going to adjust the pants. Once all the prices are changed underneath each logo and the names of each, the colors on the names of each item are changed to the correct color, and the graphics are adjusted in items 6 to 10, then page 1, the order form is finished. I didn't change all, just so you know, I didn't change all of the prices of the graphics here because it's just a demonstration, but in a normal order form you would have to change all of the prices to the correct prices. Okay, page 2 of this document is the triplicate. You never touch it, just leave it the same. Page 3, we would copy and paste the graphics from page 1, the order form, into this section here where the logos are, and we would change the logos on the items, and the words down the legs of the pants would have to be adjusted, and we'd have to change the colors of the sweatshirts. And the image at the top. I'm going to go ahead and start doing that now so you can see how it's done. So I'm copying, I'm going to the poster. I'm going to paste that here right beside me so I know exactly what I want changed. I'm changing the graphics. So I'm just going through and changing all of the colors of the garments to the colors that they should be. Or you could take the garments, copy and paste them over. I find this to be a little bit faster. You're going to go in nice and close to the graphic and make sure you got all of the purple, because I know in the hoodie here there's a spot that is still purple that didn't get changed. And now I'm going to change the graphics to the correct colors. So the first graphic is logo number 1. It's solid blue fill and a gold outline. You can either change it or just copy and paste this whole section over. I'm going to show you So I'm just going through and changing all of the colors of the graphics to what they should be. Again, you got to check the script with tails to make sure that they meet where they should. It's very difficult in this program to move it where it actually should be. While doing this video, the computer is running extremely slowly, so it's making it very difficult to change anything. Okay. So once I've done changing all of the graphics to what they should be looking like, I then changed the graphics on the picture of the teenagers. So I'm just going to move up there and show you how that's done. Basically what I want to do is make them the same colors as the logos. I see this logo number 2 MDHS on my first page order form. It was blue fill with a yellow outline, so I just do the same thing on the gray sweater on the girl on the right of the screen. A blue fill, navy fill with a gold outline. Then I changed the numbers to navy. This one, this graphic on the man to her left is white type now. We're going to change that to gold. And all the way through. So this number here would have to be navy, and the word